Heilongjiang, China about 70 million years ago. The environment had the presence of waterways, lakes, and ponds. The existence of coarse channel fills further implies the presence of rivers, indicating that this region was characterized by a significant diversity of dinosaurs and that the climate had a drier, more arid state. Tsintaosaurus. Herbivorous Hadrosaurid. Here the group of Tsintaosaurus charge down the side of a mountain as they are migrating back north. Modern animals and birds undertake migrations to different locations primarily in pursuit of food, to escape severe weather conditions, or for reproductive purposes. Birds, in particular, migrate chiefly to find sustenance and to establish nests for the nurturing of their offspring, ensuring their adequate nourishment. These features could be attributed to Tsintaosaurus. Tsintaosaurus possessed a distinctive, duck-billed snout along with a set of robust teeth that enabled it to effectively consume plant material. Typically, it moved on all fours. However, it had the capability to rise on its hind legs to survey its surroundings for potential threats and to escape upon detecting a predator. Similar to other members of the Hadrosaur family, Tsintaosaurus fossils have been found in Tsingtao and Heilongjiang in China. The nasal cavity consists of a chamber that is partitioned into two smaller sections, one located anteriorly and the other posteriorly, by the curved median processes of the premaxilla, which create hooks encircling a passage that connects the two sections. Air from the posterior section is directed downward toward the internal cavity of the skull. The name Tsintaosaurus translates to Qingdao lizard, derived from the earlier transliteration, Tsingtao. The specific designation refers to with a nose spine, originating from the Latin word spina and res, meaning nose, which highlights the unique crest located on its snout. The Tsintaosaurus's herd's migration doesn't always go to plan, as Cretaceous Asia is filled with hungry predators. Adasaurus. Carnivorous dromaeosaurid. The significantly diminished sickle claw of Adasaurus might have been utilized less often compared to other dromaeosaurids, as the underside of the lower heel on the penultimate phalanx lacks the noticeable asymmetrical ridges characteristic of other dromaeosaurids. The Adasaurus pack has established its nest on elevated terrain, allowing them to detect prey more swiftly. Adasaurus fossils have been found in Bayangkonga, Mongolia. The generic designation, Adasaurus, is derived from the Mongolian term Ada, which translates to evil spirit, combined with the Greek word sauros, meaning lizard. The specific epithet for the sole species, mongoliensis, is indicative of its place of discovery, Mongolia. Adasaurus was a sizable member of the dromaeosaurid family, measuring approximately 7.8 to 11.5 feet in length and weighing between 80 and 192 pounds. The leader of the Adasaurus pack has identified the Tsintaosaurus herd and will now pursue them in anticipation of securing their next meal. The hunt begins. the adasaurus pack successfully intimidated the Tsintaosaurus herd during their attempt at a display of dominance. Two members of the Tsintaosaurus herd have been slain. Nevertheless, the leader of the group asserts that she is responsible for one of the kills, despite not having participated in the act of killing the Tsintaosaurus herself. The Tsintaosaurus herd consists of such a large number of individuals that the fatalities among them are minimal, resulting in no significant concern for the overall herd, contrary to previous assumptions. The Tsintaosaurus herd has quenched their thirst at the lake, indicating that they will now proceed further north, distancing themselves from the adasaurus pack. Consequently, the limited number of kills they possess will need to sustain them. The adasaurus pack recognizes their limited number of kills, which motivates them to exert greater effort in securing as many meals as possible for their group. The Tsintaosaurus herd has commenced its journey northward, with only a small fraction of their considerable numbers absent. As a result, the few kills acquired from the adasaurus will suffice to sustain the pack.